Hello, everyone. Welcome to our review for our Aki webinars. Number 1, what is the core diagnostic method in TCM?
Sir, but we cannot see.
You cannot see.
Dr. Hector, you did not put the question there.
It's their sister.
Why can't
It's their sister.
Why is blocked? I will out. I will enter again. I didn't. Sorry. You can continue. I will out.
Okay.
I did not see talaga.
Okay, so maybe you can come again. Okay. Answer.
Diagnostic tools for syndrome, definitions, and treatment, doc.
Syndrome
For Chinese
differentiation.
medicine.
Yes. So importante yan syndrome differentiation. If you do not differentiate, then you end up with a patient who is not happy. In TCM, a syndrome refers to
Pathological generalization.
yes, longer answer, no? Wind heat cold syndrome commonly presents with
Fevers, sore throat, red lung,
Throat.
bloating pulse.
okay, correct answer is B.
Fevers.
Good.
Yes. Longer answer.
4. Which facial area corresponds to the liver?
Left cheek.
Very good. Which organ corresponds to the forehead?
For heart.
Okay, look at your forehead. The nose corresponds to which organ?
Spleen.
Very good. The right cheek?
Lungs.
Lungs.
The chin corresponds to which organ?
Kidneys.
Very good. According to the SUEN, heat disease of the kidneys causes redness of the
Chin.
chin. Very good. I'm sure natitiginan kayo sa mga chin ninyo ngayon. The region between the eyebrows is called
QC.
ano?
Q.
Kue.
Q ba yan?
The forehead region is called
Forehead, ting.
Mingtang refers to
Mintang, nose bridge.
nose bridge. Large lower eyelids. May mga lalaki yung mga lower eyelids. What do they mean? Indicate a strong
Gallbladder.
wow, strong gallbladder. I'm sure maliliit yung mga lower eyelids nyo. The condition of the large intestine is reflected by
Large intestines, nose bridge length.
okay, mahaba ba yun? The small intestine condition is reflected by
lip thickness and philtrum length.
yeah, that's why everyone, especially the women, they love to have thick lips. Surgical. The small intestine divergent channel connects with the
Heart.
very good. The small intestine divergent channel descends toward the
Axilla.
axilla. The divergent channel penetrates the
Diaphragm.
heart fire may transfer to
Stomach. Small intestine, sorry. And bladder.
ano daw? Yeah, small intestine and bladder. Yeah, Taiyang. During which dynasties did tongue diagnosis greatly develop?
Ming and Qing.
Qing. Shen Tuyan describe how many tongue types?
135.
Yes. Wow. Right. Epidemic worm diseases increased during the
Ming and Qing.
yeah, kaya tinignan nila mga dila. Externally contracted heat diseases include
Smallpox and measles.
smallpox. Fu Song Yan classified tongues primarily according to
Body color.
body color, tongue body color. Which tongue color classification became most important?
Tongue body color.
Yes. Which is not one of Fu Song Yan's tongue colors?
Orange eh.
Walang orange. Yet ensure
Walang
special
orange.
in
Warm fever.
yeah.
Fibrosis.
Ye Tianxu developed differentiation according to
Four levels.
4 levels. Hu Tong introduced differentiation according to
Children's upper lower. Three
Burners.
burners.
burners. Pulse diagnosis was discussed in
Discuss.
Huang Di
Xing. Wow. Early pulse diagnosis involved how many body locations?
9.
Saan yung mga yon?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times.
Body locations yan na where you can feel the pulse. Never mind. Modern pulse diagnosis uses
So wrist to it. 3 wrist positions and 3 depth.
very good. The 3 pulse positions reflect the
3 chow.
all 12 meridians. Essential chi and blood rise to the
Head.
Ulo to
head.
head.
Scalp acupuncture is effective because
Many meridians in the scalp.
For neuro.
yeah, the head connects to the Zangfu through
Meridians.
meridians. Disorders of chi and blood may be reflected on the
Scalp.
scalp. The dorsal surface, yung likod ng auricle, contains
Likod. 1, 2, 3 area.
the curling rim of the auricle is called the
Helix.
helix. The groove on the dorsal surface of the antihelix sa likod is called the
Groove of the anti.
The prominence of the triangular fossa is located on the
Dorsal surface.
yes. Hypertension may present with
Dizziness and
yes. Long-term hypertension may affect the
long-term heart and kidney.
kung may hypertensive patients kayo, forever na yan ha.
Matagal na heart and kidney.
Twice a month, forever. Quasha therapy may help regulate
Heart.
Brain, kidney.
recommended daily salt intake for healthy adults should not exceed.
5 grams.
5 grams.
O kayo ma'am, Elvira.
Dami ko intake. Yes.
Okay, pag hypertensive, ano yung salt intake na recommended lang?
7 grams.
No, 7 grams.
Sorry,
Sobra pa
3 to
sa
4
ano?
grams.
4 grams.
Sumobra pa.
3 to 4 grams.
Oh, yung sa iyo, Sir Mark, 15?
Ano po?
Yung sa iyo, 15 or more.
Hindi.
Okay, pag hypertensive, 3 to 4 grams lang. Paihui corresponds to
GB20.
GB20. Tianjin corresponds to
GB21.
Rice. Tatsui corresponds to
Jatsu.
GB14.
GB14. Changcheng corresponds to
GB1.
favorite. Feishu corresponds to
Bladder 20.
very good. Shinshu corresponds to
Bladder 15. Heart.
ang inong baksyo yan. Ay,
Heart.
nagot na niya kaagad. Okay. Chusher corresponds to
LI11.
LI11. Oh, ang galing. Susan Lee corresponds to
Stomach 36.
walang kamatayang stomach. Tai Shi corresponds to
Kidney 3.
kidney 3. Tai Chung corresponds to
Liver 3.
3.
wow. Corn stigma tea is recommended for
Hypertension.
hypertension. Corn stigma helps
Corn stigma.
That's
the way.
yes. Pinakamahabang answer. Floating pulse is commonly associated with
Exterior condition.
exterior. A red tongue often indicates
Heat.
Heat.
wow. Which dynasty emphasized red tongue differentiation?
King.
Qing. Qing. The
Qing.
heart is known as the
Ruler.
ruler. The liver is compared to the
General.
general. The stomach is called the
Uh,
ano ba?
so food
Huh? Sea of food. Thick lips indicate condition of the Wait, where are you? Okay, are we still here? Wait lang ha. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to number 65. Thick lips indicate the condition of the
SI,
SI.
small intestine.
Yes, letter B, small intestine. Upturned nostrils. Ano yan? Bumaligtad na ano.
After nostrils, pag
Indicate
pag
leakage of the
bladder,
bladder. A protruding nose bridge suggests normal function of
Triple
protruding.
burner.
triple burner. Oh, protruding. Proper facial proportion indicates.
Good visceral fraction.
Okay, so abot ka ng 100 years. Which organ is associated with hearing?
Kidneys.
Kidneys.
Kidney.
The condition of the liver can be gauged by the
Eyes.
The spleen's condition can be gauged by
For taste and preference.
Preference.
katulad yung mahilig sa matatamis. The false coating of the tongue reflects
Post coating. Deficiency or excess.
yes. Every clinical manifestation is reflected on the tongue was stated by
Yanchi.
yes, letter B. Tongue coating changes reflect
Pathological changes.
yes. Actually, this is the first thing that changes, no? Pag nag-treat ka, pag makapal, dapat numinipis konti within 1 hour. The scalp has a close relationship with
Tendons or
Meridian.
meridian, sorry.
paano na yun?
Nagkaka-hard pa
Intersection
yan.
of many meridians occurs on the
Scalp.
yeah, kaya
Scalp.
effective on scalp. Ear acupuncture includes anatomy of
All of
All
the above.
all of the above. The groove of the superior antihelix runs
Room, no? Superior
Superior
medial
medial.
to inferior lateral.
okay. The groove of the helix crus is a depression. The prominence of the scapha is located
Scapa. On the dorsal surface.
Dorsal surface.
surface scraping in gua sha is recommended for
A and B.
Between both A and B.
wow. Remember for hypertension. LI11 is scraped using
Flat scrape.
Tama.
Wait, single
Scraping.
angle
Single
scrape.
angle scraping.
single.
Single lang.
Single angle.
Kidney tree is treated with
Vertical pressings
Vertical
and kneading.
pressing and kneading.
okay, take note you just don't don't do
Vertical
any
pagka-
manipulation. Meron yung mga rules. Corn stigma tea should be
Taken orally as tea.
the intake of salty food should
Salty.
Should gradually
gradually
decrease.
decrease. TCM diagnosis observe symptoms
As a whole.
as a whole. Syndrome differentiation is considered
a core method.
Method in TCM.
wind heat syndrome commonly has the tongue with
Thin yellow
Thin yellow
thin yellow
fur.
fur. Fever with dry mouth often indicates
Heat.
heat pattern. Floating pulse, sore throat suggests
Floating wind
Windy.
wind heat
invasion.
invasion. Which book discussed pulse diagnosis 9 locations?
9 locations.
Only
To when
Yes.
When?
The Nanting established
on modern
Modern
wrist
wrist
diagnosis.
Diagnosis.
modern wrist pulse diagnosis. Scalp acupuncture can diagnose and treat disease because
Scalp
reflex
reflects
internal
internal disorder.
the auricle includes
Oracle, all of the
All
above.
of the
All
above.
of the above. Hypertension may include tinnitus and insomnia because
It
Affects
That
multiple
multiple
organs.
organs.
quasha for hypertension mainly
Ah.
provides
Auxiliary
Well,
therapeutic
auxiliary
effect.
therapeutic effect. Wag itigil yung gamot, ha? Actually, maganda siya i-combine. Heart projection area may be scraped
from inside to outside.
Inside,
yeah,
outside.
inside to outside. The
Outside.
body scrape from
Yeah.
G
Inside to
Inside to
outside.
outside. From inside to outside.
Yeah, A.
GB14 to GB1.
Down.
Up, down.
Ang gusto
Up,
yata ni
down, no?
ano.
Wala sa-
Okay, up to down. Tongue diagnosis became highly refined due to
Ay, up to down. Okay. And
Warm epidemic diseases.
very
Yes.
good. Traditional Chinese medicine has developed over approximately
Uh,
2,300 years.
Bongga pala, no?
congratulations, everyone. You all did well. See you again next time. Wow.